Watch this. I'm going to type one paragraph, just one, and in about 3 minutes, an AI agent is going to hand me a full investor pitch deck, 10 design slides, real market numbers, charts, ready to export to PowerPoint. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do this yourself for free. The tool is called Gamma. This is their agent mode. You describe what you want, the way you'd brief a designer. Here's my paragraph. An investor deck for MailPilot, a fake software company that automates cold email for small agencies. I ask for the problem, the solution, market size, business model, traction, and the ask. That's the whole brief. Now hit send. Here's where it gets interesting. This isn't a template filler, it's an agent, an AI that works in steps on its own. First, it checks the brief. It asks a couple of smart questions, deck style, how to handle traction numbers, and it pre-fills sensible answers. You just click continue. Then it goes off and does the work. It researches, it plans a story, and it writes a complete 10-slide outline. Problem, solution, market, business model, traction, team, the ask. Every slide mapped out before a single pixel gets designed, and look, a theme picker and one big blue button. Skim the outline. If you want to change anything, this is the moment. Every card is editable. I'm happy with it. So, one click. Generate. Now just watch the log. Slide 1, slide 2. It's building each slide, live with layouts and charts, and the whole thing takes 47 seconds. Not hours in PowerPoint, not a weekend with a freelancer. 47 seconds. Slide 5 even pulls a market figure, an $8.2 billion market. The agent researched that. You didn't have to, and here's the finished ask slide. $750,000 seed round, with the use of funds charted built on its own. $250 for product, $350 for sales, $150 for operations, plus a runway line, 18 months to reach $100,000 in monthly revenue. Now, be smart about this part. The traction numbers are placeholders, realistic ones, because MailPilot is a company I made up. When you do this, you swap in your real numbers. The structure, the design, the story. That's the part that the agent just saved you a week on. Getting it out is one click too. Share, export, PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or straight images. So here's the pattern to steal. One paragraph in, review the outline. One click to build. Export where your investors live. Gamma's free plan gives you 400 credits, and this whole deck cost 40. That's roughly 10 decks before you pay a cent. If you want more builds like this, real AI tools, run for real, on camera, that's exactly what this channel does. See you in the next one.